हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम शुरुआत करेंगे क्वेश्चन 41 टू 60 क्वेश्चन सीरीज। आज का तीसरा सीरीज है और हम शुरू करते हैं। नेट जीआरएफ पीएचडी इंटरेस्टेड प्रिपरेशन 20 क्वेश्चन पेपर practice set on the daily basis, but tomorrow we are delayed. Then I am going to today the forensic science in principle of presence refer to evidence remain into its original state indefinitely. In forensic science, the principle of persistence refers to evidence remains in its original state indefinitely. B. The tendency of physical evidence to persist at a crime scene. C. Evidence degrades over time. D. Evidence can never be completely destroyed. The correct option is B. The tendency of physical evidence to persistence at a crime scene. Next question 42. Which of the following is considered a forensic science discipline? ये रहे ऑप्शन एस्ट्रोनॉमी, बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑल ऑफ द अबव। एस्ट्रोनॉमी, बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव। अगला क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not a key component of forensic science? इसके ऑप्शन रहे हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, इंट्यूशन, डी ऑब्जर्वेशन। Correct answer is intuition. अगला क्वेश्चन, principle that similar object produce similar result under the same condition is known as principle of exchange, principle of uniformity, principle of comparison, principle of individuality. Correct answer is option B, principle of uniformity. अगला क्वेश्चन, the role of a forensic scientist include option A, collecting evidence, option B, analyzing evidence, option C, testifying in court, option D, all of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Collecting, analyzing, testifying in court of evidences. Next question, which principle support the use of control sample in forensic analysis? हमारे ये रहे हमारे ऑप्शन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंडिविजुअलिटी, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंपैरिजन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डाइविजिबिलिटी, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एक्सचेंज। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोरेंसिक साइंस यूजेस व्हिच टाइप ऑफ एविडेंस? ए फिजिकल, बी बायोलॉजिकल, सी डिजिटल, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव, फिजिकल, डिजिटल, बायोलॉजिकल। 48 क्वेश्चन 48, the process of determining whether two substances from a common origin is called identification, comparison, classification, examination. Our correct answer is comparison. Next question 49. Which of the following best describe for science? Here option a branch of social science and art from the application of scientific method to solve crime. D. The study of historical event. The option correct answer is C. The application of scientific method to solve. अगला क्वेश्चन 50 की ओर चलते हैं. Which principle is often summarized by the phrase every context set tracks? Principle of persistence. B option principle of divisibility. C option principle of individuality. D Locard exchange principle. D correct answer is D Locard exchange principle. The Edmund Locard, who is this scientist which gave the first scientific principle which is called Locard exchange principle. This is the basic principle of the forensic science. अगले क्वेश्चन 51 की ओर चलते हैं. Which principle asserts that quality and quality of evidence exchange between two surfaces depends on the nature and duration of the contact? Option A principle of individuality, principle of persistence, Locard exchange principle, principle of divisibility. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है Locard exchange principle. Question. Forensic science can be used to analyze which type of evidence? Crime scene, फिजिकल एविडेंस, बायोलॉजिकल एविडेंस, केमिकल एविडेंस. तो इसके आंसर क्या होंगे? इसके आंसर होंगे ऑल ऑफ द एविडेंस, क्योंकि फिजिकल भी होता है, बायोलॉजिकल भी होता है एंड केमिकल भी होता है. 53 question. Which historical figure is known for his early work in forensic ballistics? Calvin Goddard, Alphonse Bertillon, Edmund Locard, Hans Gross. Which historical figure is known for the early work in forensic ballistics? इनमें से किसके नाम सबसे पहले फोरेंसिक बैलिस्टिक में आता है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन केल्विन गोडार्ड, अल्फोंस बर्टेलियन, एडमंड लोकार्ड, हैंस ग्रोस. तो करेक्ट केल्विन गोडार्ड. क्वेश्चन. द स्टडी ऑफ बुलेट एंड फायर आर्म्स इज नाउन एज बैलिस्टिक. और ये रहे ऑप्शन टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, सीरोलॉजी, बैलिस्टिक्स, ओडेंटोलॉजी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बैलिस्टिक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 50. फोरेंसिक और टॉक्सिकोलॉजी primarily deals with analyzing poison and drugs, studying insects, examination handwriting, analyzing bullet trajectory. Correct answer is analyzing poison and drugs. Forensic toxicology deal करता है poison and drugs. Next option is 56. Each of the following principle involves analyzing the unique characteristics of different types of materials. Option A principle of individuality, B principle of comparison, C principle of divisibility, D principle of exchange. Correct answer is A principle of individuality. Question 50. Forensic odontology can be used to? Here है answer. Identify victim through the dental record. Analyze bite mark. Analyze age of the people. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Who is known as the father of forensic science? Correct option is Edmund Locard. D. B. Alphonse Bertillon. C. Hans Gross. D. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Correct answer is Edmund Locard, which gives the Locard principle, which is main scientific principle. The scientific study of writing and printed material is known as. इसका करेक्ट आंसर तो क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट ही है, बट ऑप्शन तो ऑप्शन है। अरे ए ऑप्शन करे टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, बी सीरोलॉजी, सी जियोग्राफी, डी क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट। करेक्ट आंसर इज क्वेश्चन डॉक्यूमेंट एग्जामिनेशन। क्वेश्चन 60। Which branch of forensic science is concerned with the study of blood and other body fluids? Correct answer is option A toxicology, serology, pathology, odontology. Correct answer is serology. Next question. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if my video is important to us.